Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the area, open the map, enable collectible filters, and mark all question marks so you can focus. Once done, fast travel to the nearest marked district and move methodically along streets and rooftops. Why? Because lost pages often spawn inside buildings or on ledges near prior play events. Make sure to save before every concentrated sweep. It cuts respawn time and keeps you from backtracking. This initial push gets you into contact with likely spawn zones immediately. You now perform the detailed sweep. Enter interiors and check bookshelves, desks, drawers, and containers because pages spawn as interior loot. Once inside a building, circle each room, lean into corners, and examine low shelves. Then, transition to vertical checks. Climb roofs, peer behind chimneys, and scan under eaves. Those odd angles hide collectibles. Also watch NPCs closely. Townsfolk can trigger page spawns after scripted interactions, so wait a moment and revisit areas if nothing shows up. You finish by forcing a refresh when a page refuses to appear. Reload the last save or fast travel away and back because that triggers despawn/respawn cycles. Make sure your inventory has space and your quest log isn't full. Blocked pickup systems can prevent pages from appearing. If enemies were present, clear the area. Combat can interrupt spawn scripts, then retread spots and recheck interiors and rooftops. If still missing, repeat quick save reloads. One of those cycles usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.